Okay, hey guys, Sextus here, and today we are going to be starting a new SMP on series, on an SMP called the Woodcrafters SMP, owned by, One Iron. I will put the link to his YouTube channel in the description. As you can see, I've already gotten started a little bit. I just went around and got some stuff, but yeah, and I think I found a pretty good place for a base, But yeah, so starting the SMP series. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but if you can hear the fan in the background, don't mind that. I just have it on because it's hot in the room I'm recording in. And as you can see, when I was breaking those leaves, they kept coming back. That's because the computer I'm using is an old computer from 2011. So it runs stuff slower than it normally would. Well, it runs stuff slower now than it used to, years ago. But yeah, this looks like a pretty... See, like, I just had delayed fall damage there. But this looks like a pretty good spot. This looks like a pretty good spot to build a base. And as for my base, if you've ever seen Grian's videos, he's a Minecraft YouTuber, but if you've ever seen his videos on Minecraft Evo, then you know what his base looked like. My base plan is to have a base that's as big or a little bigger than his base, and maybe copy some of what he did, like with the underground part. Except mine won't be in an ocean. Mine will actually be underground. Excuse me. This looks like a good spot right here along this river. Yeah, something over there. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, hell yeah. This is a great spot. Right here, this overhang. I love overhangs. Lots of possibilities with overhangs. Yeah, I can definitely do something here. I'm gonna go ahead and plant some sap. Oh, shit. It's going nighttime. Nighttime, daytime. Oh, wait, no. I'm trying to make a bed as fast as I can. Okay. Okay, it's daytime now. So now I can get to work. I'm gonna move the sapling. Where'd it go? Oh, it's in my inventory. I'm gonna place it there. I need to get some tools. I need to get making some tools. Okay. Sticks. Campfire. That's new. I need an axe and a pickaxe. And a sword. There we go. Okay. Okay. I got a pretty good place. Surrounded with coal. And stone. Let's go ahead and get some of that. Some of the good stuff. Coal. You can't. Okay, you just need normal logs. 3 sticks. I don't have 3 sticks, but I can make sticks. And I need 3 logs. I'll just make a floating tree. Okay. And you can see I'm not using the sprint action, because I want to conserve my hunger for as long as I can. Only one problem about campfires, though. When you place them... I hear lava. But if you place them, when you go to break them, you won't get the campfire back. You'll get wood and charcoal. Just gonna... Let's go look over here. I think there's lava somewhere. There's lava somewhere. I heard lava, I think. I might just be delusional. I'm not sure. Okay. Enough about that. I need to make a torch. Oh, that was quick. I don't know. I'm gonna get some stone. As you can see, my game is laggy. That's the fastest time I've ever gotten cooked food in Minecraft. I'm just gonna do it by hand. Doing it by hand is... what the hell? Okay. Let's go see if my mutton is done. It is. Thing about campfires, if you walk on them, you actually get turned into fire. What? You seeing that? I feel a glitch or something. Whatever, I need sticks. More sticks. I need a shovel. I get a stone pickaxe. I'm gonna be mining a lot of stone. I made the achievement getting an upgrade. There's not a whole lot of stuff to really talk about while recording. This video is probably just gonna mostly be of me mining blocks. We'll see. I need to get a base. I need to get my base started. Well, actually, technically, I already have. I'm trying to make it so you can see my screen fully. I record with my tablet. So yeah, I've already got my little base started over there, but I'm gonna build my base like here. I'm gonna build my base here. It's gonna be huge. And I'm going to extend it over here, a free stick. Let's replant that. Why did I not pick up the stick? See, I told you, laggy. It's a problem. That's the problem. They're floating leaves that I can't reach. Okay. I got a bed and stuff. I need to figure out like what I'm gonna do here. There's a lot of coal. What is this? Just a random slit. Well, what I need to do is get more wood. But what is this? It's not like a path or something. Someone's farm. Someone's been busy building a farm. Wait, this ain't no farm. This is a village. Composter to get stuff. I found a fucking village. Let's see. Chest. Yes. Food. And a free chest. Look at that. I can get a good amount of material from here. Some grindstones. Another chest. Come on. Oh my god. Iron stuff. And it's only my first day. Ow! The hell? Some sweet berries. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff on. I have 2 leather, so I need 6 more for a chest plate. Get back here! Ah, get back here, you piece of crap cow! Give me your meat! And your leather. I just need 4 more. There's a campfire. Why is there a campfire in the middle of the road, though? Actually, I'll take this as a travel bed. You always want to keep a travel bed on you, is what I say. I'll take these. Grindstones are pretty cool. They can be used as decoration blocks, and they can repair and... Holy Another grindstone. I will always take these grindstones. Oh, wait. What? Okay. So, Okay. So this is a pretty small village. I can definitely get a lot of material here. A bell. Stupid villager. Bells are fun. I got a bell. Alright, she's just like, how so quick? Well, it's a village. Oh, okay. I got some zombies on my ass. Okay. Sleep. Oh, why did I screenshot? Okay. Okay. So I got some stuff. Okay, so we're off to a good start already. We're off to a good start. We got a lot of good stuff. And so we found a place to build our base. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I will put a link to One Iron's channel in the description of the video, in the video description. And I'll see you in the next video that I make. Peace out.